get your soul. Let's go. Here we go with another one. Break on the bit and lay yo with the other one. They scared to sit, but they know I'm the chosen. Whoa. I said we go, yeah, they call me the pro.
Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So I know it's been a minute, but here I am back with another video. If y'all haven't watched my last video, go ahead and watch that. And we about to get into a little action today, you know what I'm saying? It might be a little chill meet. Today we about to meet up with a couple friends real quick. Y'all see that? Now, all right, so look, about to meet up with a couple friends. My boy Isaiah, he got a Lexus IS 300. It's pretty clean, you know what I'm saying? Then we got my boy Tommy with the C5 Corvette, clean ass Corvette. A couple other people. We'll just see when we get to the meet. But right now I'm about to go meet up with my boy Isaiah, and about to see what we get into, man. Man, everybody been good? I ain't gonna lie, been great, you know what I'm saying? I used to be a little sad because I ain't had nobody or whatever, but hey man, that nigga got a girlfriend now, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got a little girlfriend. You know, so everything been smooth so far. Shit. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but shit. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent for y'all, man, because this really the dream, and I'm slacking. I apologize, bro. I apologize. I'm gonna get right with y'all though. Okay. How you doing, man? Let's go see the IS, man. I keep trying to tell him, man, like he really got the cleanest IS in what? I'm gonna say Georgia, bro. That I've seen. I fuck with it, bro. That's Tommy. That's Tommy. But look though, man, like, you know what I'm saying? Got the reps. It's okay. It's okay. I fuck with it though. You know what I'm saying? It's a clean little project, man. I know. Oh my God, do y'all niggas hear that? Holy shit. Oh my Lord. Ooh. Yes, sir. It's my boy Tommy, man. C5 vet. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Dan.
I didn't get to do everything I wanted to. Like, I didn't get to vacuum the inside.
That bitch hard, man.
You don't really need to. It's still kind of...
That bitch hard, man. That bitch hard, man.
I vacuumed it twice on the inside. But, I didn't get to put, like, a coat of wax or nothing.
Well, that's three, man.
Go ahead. Shout out your
Oh, look at Jerry.
Is that Jerry?
Yes, bro. Yes, sir. But Jerry pulled up, man. What's up, nigga? It's good, bro. Sir, man. Damn, man. About time you coming out with us, man.
Oh, God. Jerry pulled up in that bit like it was a lamb truck, nigga. Oh, man, this is going to be a fun night, bro.
Yes, hell yeah, nigga. Yes, sir, nigga.
I wish I relaxed.
All right, but so we out, bro?
Yes, sir, we out.
I got the
I bet.
quietest car.
I think he does.
Nah, Jeremiah got the quietest car.
Sounds like the most, like, tractor fucking...
Hey, I can back my shit up with my damn tires and shit, man. No play.
No.
What? What?
Don't tell me. Hey, if y'all ain't gonna do shit, I definitely will. I'll fuck around, man.
No, Jerry, bro, you like the craziest motherfucker here, bro.
Man, shoot,
Look at the shirt you got on.
Oh yeah, I'm built crazy.
You better start it. Ooh. Damn. All right, man. We out, man. All right, we out, man. about to run? Spot. Good over there. Damn, ain't nowhere for me to park. God damn. Parked up.
Bro, where you been at, bro? You ain't been at the meet, bro.
What you mean, bro? What you mean, bro?
Like we were going to go to the gym, bro. We supposed
I ain't gonna lie.
work out, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of slacking, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
What's going on, bro?
What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
I did not even see you. Like, oh wait, you came back.
Yes. Nigga didn't bring the IS like a lame ass.
I know. I want to feel what 500 horsepower feel like.
How's it feeling, bro? How's it feeling?
The torque is.
I mean, it's a cool little calm collected meet. Ain't nothing too crazy out right now.
I mean, you got Samo shit right there.
Oh, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got a little kitty cat.
Kitty cat over there.
Little kitty cat. You know what I'm saying?
You got the
Kitty cat.
cat of hell.
The cat of hell. He said the cat of hell. Oh, I knew you was trying to race him. I knew it. I knew it, bro.
For that shit.
For my dig, you gonna wax that nigga.
I don't race it, bro. For real. I'm just not getting used to it. I'm trying to get used to it. I don't race it? What you got?
The Hellcat.
Yeah.
You got that purple Hellcat, don't you? You the one with that purple Hellcat, huh?
That nigga said RT. What the fuck? That nigga said
You should have
RT.
been like this shit.
Let me see. I want to see that motherfucker though.
Oh yeah, I want to see this shit. I ain't gonna cap.
I gotta see everything. I got a fucking RT. Hell yeah, you forgot one letter S. SRT. Bullshit, you got about 200 horsepower on my ass.
Let nobody know.
But you got weight though. You lighter.
You know what I'm saying? I get hit. Walk your motherfucking ass down.
No, I don't race for real. I'm just not. I'm trying to get used to
Oh,
it.
he trying to give a little sneak peek. Okay. Little leg maker.
Alright.
Okay. Heard that.
They cute.
He got that.
He's so cute.
I can't afford it, so I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't afford that motherfucker. That shit too expensive.
I ain't gonna lie, you might wax that nigga, bro. To be honest, from a roll, I think you got him, bro. Oh. That nigga trying to get busy. Oh. Okay. What I'm talking about, man. Lexus IS 250 or 350, I'm not sure. But this, y'all will see one on the channels real soon, man, real soon. Oh yeah, it's IS 350. Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit clean as hell.
I need one as a daily, bro. Yeah, your shit clean as fuck, bro. For sure.
Then he got on the Yeezy, man. Shit.
That ain't got money. Chill. My boy Andrew with the IS. You know what I'm saying?
I see why Jenna let me get the Mustang so bad.
Cool little paint chips.
Andrew, you a lucky ass nigga to have your shit.
Bro, you can easily have your shit running, bro. Don't say that. Don't say that, because you can easily have your shit running,
That's
bro.
what I'm saying, bro. He don't
What's wrong with you, nigga?
fix this shit.
I don't know.
Why body coming soon?
I don't know,
Why body
maybe.
coming
I
soon?
don't know.
Oh, shit.
Shit.
Why don't you be a fast guy? Why don't you be a...
He wants to be a stancy pants boy.
I love to be standstill.
You see the fit, bro. Obviously, Buddy
Okay.
dressing like he got the fucking retro spot.
Hold on. It's even more embarrassing, bro. Like,
This nigga's like...
Hey, stop playing though. You know what I'm saying? Got the truths, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say, I'm getting HR.
Yes, nigga. You know the vibe. Say what's up. Say what's up.
HR.
Yes, nigga.
I have one though.
Look, when I get, bro, I tell them niggas all the time, bro. When I get my HR, everybody and their family members are getting fucking waxed.
Waxed.
Apparently, it's supposed to be like a new spot that we're supposed to go to, some spot. And supposedly, it's supposed to be a little slideshow. I'm not the best slider around, but I could do a little something. Ooh. But yeah, man, it should be lit. So let's see what happens, man. Pull it out to the spot.
I was trying to tell you to dump the clutch.
Oh, okay. Already sliding, bro. Should I kick it off? Should I kick it off? Go ahead and slide that shit, bro. Should I kick it off? I don't know if I should kick it off. Should I kick it off? Should I kick it off? Let me know in the comments right now, bro. Let me know in the comments right now. Let me know in the comments right now. Should I kick it off? Oh, they got them up and pulling out there. Look out, look out. Oh. Okay. Yo. Cat. Okay. That shit was hard. That shit was hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, I'm talking about it,
though. That bitch hard, man.
Bro, look, ketchup and mustard, bro.
That bitch hard. And he part next to Tommy. Yes, sir. Tough. Man, that last spot was crazy, bro. Like, nigga, it was. I had a little slideshow. I had a little slideshow, whatever. I'm saying I put it on the screen or whatever. And then I guess somebody heard sirens or something, and everybody just scattered. So I'm sitting there cutting there, but yo, what the fuck going on? Where we at? Back at the QC with it, man. Oh, that's his shit. Oh, word? Heard you. Your bitch. Clean, bro. See, y'all want to go follow him?
It's a manual. They got
Soft top, though? Ooh, not a fan. It's manual, though. He got a pass.
fuck, bro. That shit's
He's
manual.
talking about who gives a fuck.
Look at the seats, bro. Bro, look at
Fold
the
the
seats,
wheels.
the color. That shit, bro.
It's just clean, bro.
Corbin shrunk.
the location. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna go home, bro. It's been a cool little night, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, we getting started.
Stonecrest?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm going home.
I advise y'all to leave. Let's go, let's go. Whoever's sitting around within 2 minutes, I'm gonna start taking people to jail for trespassing. I've advised everybody to leave, and that's what it is. That's good.
Nigga talk about taking people to jail. He said taking people to jail. Made it home, man. That was a cool little video, man. You know what I'm saying? It was a couple of lit shit that happened. Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? It was cool, man. Cool little night. And I had a little slideshow. I might have with a couple friends, you know what I'm saying? What y'all think of that video, man? Let me know in the comments down below, cause I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I'm not a slider, but nice, a little bit, just a little bit. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Follow me on Instagram at jniz. Follow me on TikTok at jniz with 2 Z's. And we out, bro.